Look, the point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
I just want to be one of you guys.
All that success, all those sit-ups, but deep down still just that little fatty loser. Who always knew he would die alone.
The dragon? That's what you're worried about? Not the people you almost killed?
He's just protecting me. He's not dangerous.
Meloncito ahora está llorando. Ay, mi gatito, miau, miau. 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 Ay, mi gatito.
I wish that I ever had a phone to call you up.
Şimdi buna dur diyemezsin. Sözlerin, gözlerin, ellerin yok.
Some people lose their knife or their mug. No, not me. I managed to lose an entire dragon.
Kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift you up.
I told that bitch like, ooh, baby, what you wishing for? Maybe you should wish it more. Maybe the world is yours. Maybe when you raise it.
My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You're recommended to me by some people. Hey, ooh, is this illegal? Hey, ooh, it feels illegal.
Even night furies?
Especially night furies.
Those are scary.
It's a common notion, perpetual emotion, but I don't need the comfort of any lie.
Cala a boca, puta. Cala a boca. Might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Can I? Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, oh crap.
He might very well be the last of his kind. Oh, and look! He's your age! Wow. Oh, no wonder you get along so well.
Oh, we need to kill someone. Can you guess who I'm gonna kill, guys? Ding, 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 ding. You're right. It starts with an M and ends with a green.
I knock 'em down in pairs, on the couch, in the bed, kitchen counter, or stairs. Wherever you want it, baby, I'm taking you there. And where you walk in them hills, beyond sex appeal, beyond any type of feeling you get from taking a pill.
And here comes number 13, Mr. All coming from the three-point line right now. Oh shit, that nigga's all fucking it's sucking out his neck. He gon' meet that fucking we gon' kick your dough. 1, 2, 3, and 4, you hit that murder, what she for? Saw him in my scope, I'm by the front page of the post. He ain't getting no, that nigga died. Lock up at your door, let me in, bitch, I'm gon' need that neck. Fuck you talking folks, stay up on that bitch, don't get pressed. I might take your help, giving help.